Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. Popular TikToker Akeem Dunbar, aka World Dawg, has been shot in Hollywood, Florida. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a breaking news. Yeah, greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. Yeah, it's Rastafari Soldier. I wasn't going to touch this particular topic, but a lot of people has been calling me about this, about the Jamaican online personality who goes by the name of World Dawg. Real name, Akeem Dunbar. He was shot in Hollywood, Florida. You are guaranteed. He also went by the name of Facebook Hero. Now, this popular social media is reported that he was out having a good time. Now, World Dawg, Facebook Hero, was hospitalized after, he was seriously injured. Families and friends reports are that there has been another victim who remained unidentified, but this victim passed away. Broward County Sheriff still investigating what's going on. Now, information said that in the jurisdiction of Miramar, police responded to multiple shots fired and a ShotSpotter alert. And in the area of 6190 Miramar Parkway, approximately 3:29 a.m., cops set up on arrival discovered evidence of gunshot in the parking lot, including shell casing. And the media outlet said, however, no victims or vehicle were immediately found at the scene. Shortly after, the authorities received two separate 911 calls. One call from Memorial Regional Office reporting a man who had been shot. The other call was originated from a 2200 block of the State Road 7, also concerning gunshot victim. Now, it appears that the two people that were involved in the shooting are victims. One of them was Akeem Dunbar, which is World Dawg, and the other one is fondly known as Joe. Now, the family members of Joe are weeping and considerably uncontrollable. I heard the audio of Joe's aunt and it jolted me because a lot of people in the South Florida area knows each other. And when you know each other, it just touch a little bit too close. It hurts a little bit more. So, like I said, I didn't really want to touch on this particular topic because I'm familiar with the area and some of the people that's actually involved. And one of the people them worldwide for know say the Rastaman tried to tell the truth. That's why I'm known as Deeprootstv. Because if you want to hear the truth, you know where to forward. Yeah, that's Deeprootstv. Now, I heard a video of a 911 call, and I want you to hear this 911 call because it's obvious that this caller seems to be World Dawg. You guarantee. And this is something where I and I man saw on the internet and me decide if I download it and then so the item can hear. So this is not like my particular thing, but I want to hear this. How the newspaper them report this particular call. You guarantee? To me, from my opinion, it sound like it's World Dog still. You know what I say? I like me see on my audio. So I think a channel 60 still, you know what I say? So listen to this. Yeah, at the first part, I want to hear still, you know. I want to hear how this man here sound. The one say shouting. Remind me a third World Cup when the man must say back up. Alright, family. I want you to pray a thing here for me. I want you to pray a thing for me, see? The man say shouting, come now. You guarantee? And it's like, the people them might tell him, say, calm down, fussy. He get banned. I don't take it for joke, but I want to know. Say, yo, under around put the thing. Alright. The man says shouting, come now. You guarantee?
Chilling 911 calls describe the panic and fear after a double shooting Tuesday in Miramar.
Tell me what's going on.
Miramar police spent hours investigating the scene off Miramar Parkway and southwest 62nd Avenue. When they initially responded, they didn't find any victims. But moments later, 911 received 2 calls, one of those from a victim. Akeem Dunbar, a TikTok social media influencer, was able to make it to Memorial Regional Hospital and was expected to survive. But the other person, Kevin Flynn, was found dead in the 2200 block of State Road 7. The family says the victims are cousins. The shooting was so frightening, one caller took cover and called 911 for help.
I'm Miramar Parkway. Very, very fast. There's a whole bunch of shooting going on. I'm in the Dunkin Donuts plaza. Can you hurry up and send somebody from Miramar Parkway right away to the Dunkin Plaza? I don't know the address. I'm in my car. Okay, what? You said you're laying on the floor, is that correct? Are you under a vehicle? Are you safe? I'm inside my truck, laying down. Okay, stay on the line for me. As long as you're safe to stay there.
Family was also on scene. They told us the man who was killed left behind a pregnant wife. Paramedics rushed her to the hospital after she heard the horrible news and fainted.
Rastafari, you know, say me know them people here. Me know all the lady when them a pull out on the stretcher, you know. But again, you have to careful with which friend you hang. You are guarantee? You have to be careful with which friend you hang. Because more than likely, them your people are band them belly for jaw. And World Dog no know what go on probably. And probably all World Dog them go for stew up. You are gonna take. I mean I make no joke out of this. Because when you can't catch Quaco, you don't know the blouse and skirt rest. Cause we don't play and we don't fret. Because I am watching the internet. Me a listen the internet. And pan this internet here, Some things when me hear who know I say and do. You are gonna take nothing know on yourself and not everybody who no can ramp with. Because I heard some things when me hear all this your dog yeah. And a regular dog, you know. A world dog. They on the internet I say out of him mouth. Me not talk about what other people tell me. When me buck up pan. Be careful. Be careful. Unoffin know. Everybody knows somebody of Florida. And a lot of the times they're just next door chilling on the corridor. Everybody knows somebody in New York. That's why you have to know how to move. Yeah. You have to know how to talk and walk. When it comes to the internet, you have to know how to deal it. You can't at this big top quenga. And you are no quenga? Anyway, I and I man just saying my condolences to Joe and his family. And big up the real Jenners. You are going to? Because if you're not equipped, if you're not made for it, like Kendrick said, they are not like us. So, families and friends, me want to know if you listen. When the dispatcher say, okay, tell me what happened. Listen. Ha ha! Where in say? Where in say? Where in blouse and skirt say? Okay. In no. So right that's what alone him I tell you say. Oh. Bumbleclad. Miramar them they are ramp with Hollywood people and things that them can get away with it. Listen to me people. One thing I can tell you. It's rare when Hollywood no hot. Ha ha! You remember that? Shelly 911 call them on them say. After them man ya de pan internet a go like them a bad man. And them a chat about shorting him friend die. Mine no brother. Nobody pick up things were too heavy for you know. And me a tell you over and over. You know, they around some real thugs and some real knockies and some real chillers. We put body par ice. I don't know things say them thing they normal. You're not ready for it, brother.
Chilling 911 calls describe the panic and fear after a double shooting Tuesday in Miramar.
Tell me what's going on.
I don't know more about Miramar police spent hours investigating the scene off Miramar Parkway in southwest 62nd Avenue. When they initially responded, they didn't find any victims. But moments later, 911 received two calls, one of those from a victim. Akeem Dunbar, TikTok social media influencer, was able to make it to Memorial Regional Hospital and was expected to survive. But the other person, Kevin Flynn, was found dead in the 2200 block of State Road 7. The family says the victims are cousins. The shooting so frightening, one caller took cover and called 911 for help.
I'm Miramar, from Miramar Parkway. Very, very fast. There's a whole bunch of shooting going on. I'm in the Dunkin Donuts plaza. Can you hurry up and send police from Miramar Parkway right away to the Dunkin Plaza? I don't know the address. I'm in my truck.
Okay, what's you said you're laying on the floor, is that correct? Are you under a vehicle? Are you safe?
I'm inside my truck laying down.
Okay, stay on the line for me. Folks,
was also on scene. They told us the man who was killed left behind a pregnant wife. Paramedics rushed her to the hospital after she heard the horrible news and fainted. All right, now police did not say how the men arrived at two different locations. If you have any information, yes, call Crime Stoppers.
What you mean how them arrive? How them man ya man? How them arrive at two different locations? Them man ya take man for fool right now. I run where the man them run me from the situation, brother. And stop the arms house. But how them arrive. When the heat in the kitchen turn up, you think some man a wait and a wait to get burn up? People, you only can take it serious thing for joke because at the same episode, at the same episode, everything over and over again. Yeah, at the same thing I go on. You're going to see some look wannabe youths end up find themselves in a situation where they cannot cope. You have to be careful who you hang out with in a youth. Because, maybe because you think say you're not dirty. Yeah, but guess what? You hang out with some people where some people might want. And I big up some people where some people might want. So you have to know. If you're going to hang out with certain thugs, you can't dip on the street a gallivant. You can't do a Dunkin Donuts and them thing you do donuts. You will get wet up or get left with a hole in the middle. You are guarantee. I mean, I don't push no badness, so make you know how the people them are live nowadays, people. You are guarantee, look at youths, them not have no love in them. Not have no respect. So as you disrespect, you get queng. So I man stay away from them and those that have no life that they protect, like children, women, and them thing there. Sometimes some of them youth will get wet, forget. You are guarantee, I man wish no evil and no man. But what you put in the ground, it's what you receive in the hand. Meaning, where you rape or where you saw. So remember, none of them youths say I man don't know. But member say something in a something. Jaja. So next youth now, them have to bury innocent. Friend killers. Yeah, Jamaicans, them are wicked murderer. We are going to continue, on this particular topic as I get some concrete evidence. Because I man don't like to work with the hearsay residents. See? So I'm going to try to figure out what John name, and it appears that in the video there, you can hear the news reporter them put out him real government. You guarantee. It's a shame. The world dog is a youth where he's like a comedian youth, like an actor youth. When I see him on the Facebook hero, I say, sometimes you see them thing, some of people are watch, what kind of things like a comedic thing. No, him look like say he turn up him thing cause him turn world dog. And the dog bite. Remember that? The dog bite. But again, do not watch the dog in the fight. You got to watch the fight in the dog. Frau, me say, you not knock it back. You never ready. The 911 call sound like it was a little bit jittery. You never ready. So stop fake it like you're wicked and bad, youth. You are going to take care of your woman and your youths. Because you know you're not wicked. And you know you're not bad. And if we don't continue to play these charades, especially in the public, in the social media, you are going to end up in a bag. So it's just what would I say, foresight I am going to give you from my insight. Say, just be careful when you are the youths. And careful the groups. Can you see? You are the face man. See how you look? Big gold chain. Tattoo. Sorry for you about what going on with your cousin Joe. Right now, youth, hold your meds and separate yourself from certain ill situation. Me hear some names are call up. You are going to? I don't call up no people name unless it's printed in the public. Y'all guarantee. So we're not going to speculate and manipulate or galipulate no hate just because we want some clicks and some likes. No. If you know what you know, and I show put in the comments, but I'm reporting that Akeem Dunbar, aka World Dog, aka Facebook Hero, and his cousin, unfortunately, got wet by the hurricane rain. Joe was washed away. R.I.P. The only thing I man say, and condolences to the weeping family. You are going to, and hope say the people them were violate you, get brought to justice. And World Dog, mind you barking up the wrong tree. You are going to. And more life and more joy. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeprootstv. Hit that subscribe button. If you're watching me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me. Leave your comment. Me no know how to make money on it yet. And make me know how to make some money over here on TikTok, no man. Ja. I saw it go come here. See how this, all that this your warrior start over. But I'm not going to speculate. You are going to take. Because I man done graduate. And more life and more joy and more happiness.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And it's so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them shut and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire key, Rastaman and a real fire key. Whoa, fire key, Rastafari Soldier, fire key. Yeah, balang bang,
Pick up Deeprootstv. Respect, make sure to tune in. We are every time.